Arbitrationagreements.org. Arbitration is a popular alternative to traditional litigation for resolving disputes. But what happens if you lose in arbitration? Let us take a closer look. But before we dive in, please give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about legal topics that can help you and your company maintain happy customers as you save time and money. In arbitration, an arbitrator or a panel of arbitrators hears arguments from both sides and makes a decision called an arbitration award. If you are the losing party in an arbitration proceeding, the award is binding and final. You are required to comply with the terms of the award, which may include payment of damages, return of property, or other actions. If you fail to comply with the award, the other party can go to court to enforce it. The prevailing party can file a petition with the court, which will enter the award as a court judgment. Once the award is entered as a court judgment, the prevailing party can take steps to collect on the judgment, such as garnishing your wages, levying your bank account, or placing a lien on your property. It is important to note that there are limited grounds for challenging an arbitration award. In general, the court will only vacate an award if there was fraud, misconduct, or a fundamental error in the process. If you believe that the arbitration award was wrongly decided, there is a chance that you will have the option to challenge it in court. However, this can be a difficult and expensive process. It's crucial for you to understand the potential outcomes mentioned in this video before entering into an arbitration agreement, and to be prepared to follow the terms of the award if you are the losing party. Our association does not provide legal advice, but call us if you or your business want to open a new account or case. You can also do so by visiting arbitrationagreements.org. Also, what do you think of arbitration and the consequences of losing in a legal dispute? Let us know in the comments section right now. While you're at it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ding the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important legal topics that could impact you or your company.